Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about my personal development. Today, um, I'd like to publish new version of my application. And yesterday, I was working on fixing bugs, and I finished this broadcasting without fixing bugs. But uh, after the broadcasting, I fixed the bugs. So I'm ready to publish my new version. Yeah. Yesterday, there is an issue where the value in the player's information area cannot be reflected. And I found it comes from the React.js, and it's complicated problem. Yeah, I asked ChatGPT and fixed it. Let's take a look. Yeah, like this. So when the player moved to another water node, we can acquire the data fish, and also shell capacity increases because there is a interest gain. So we can see how this value increases. And parse and imprint are also good, like this. Yeah, I finished implementing time limit features. Oh, I see. I forgot to fix a bug about virtual sharing. For this player, there is a time limit of 30 seconds, but this is you can see 2 seconds. 2 seconds past the time limit has come. So I should fix these bugs. So this is not difficult. I think I made mistake about time limit settings. Yeah, so let's take a look at the code where we set the time limit for virtual sharing. It is located at Propose Alliance. And no Propose Alliance. This is check Propose Alliance. Yeah, this is called when the player can propose alliance. Alliance means virtual sharing, and in this block, player can propose alliance to another player, and deadline is set here. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. But yeah. Mm, yeah. Um, I expected that this ID is target player's ID, but now I look at this, it seems to be correct. Mm, the deadline is calculated based on the player ID. Player ID is proposer, so I don't think this is a problem. Mm. 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 I don't know. I have no idea about this. So I need to log, add some logs. Mm, so when the player moved, player can, yeah. So this should be executed. Mm? But there are only three, 4. Oh, I see. The log is removed. So mm, I want to refactor the logs. Yeah, because task queue is too large to show. So like this. Yeah. Yeah. This is too large. Update it. reflecting changes. The hot reload is enabled, so yeah, reloading local server is yeah. Yeah, this log should increase. I expect this log increase to not increase. Let's take a look at latest one. Yeah. Mm. Four. Okay. Hmm? No. Move. Oh, I see. I see. Submit. This is the latest. Latest. Yeah. I see. So hmm? old one. Oh, I have no idea. Check, check. Uh, this this is this may be updated, might be updated, overwritten, because I see, I see. But required actions. Yeah. I'm thinking. I'm thinking that this task is executed first, but then other type of tasks are executed, and in the execution, it might be override over over override time limit object. No, the what is the problem? Okay, I will implement test about propose alliance. Okay, should this test should be okay. And Alice moved, and yeah, Bob Bob moved to the area where Alice is, and Bob can propose alliance here. But wait for 30 seconds, or yeah, so the initial state game parameters, no, game settings for player Bob and deadline. This is seconds. This unit is seconds, so 10 seconds. So at the time limit object state after move game logic states time limit. Is to be greater than 5 or 8. There is a little bit time lag, so I will make sure greater than 8 seconds. The deadline should be greater than 8 seconds. So we should current time and yeah, like this. What? Okay, so okay, this test is passed. it's difficult to implement tests, including time concepts. How to debug this? The problem is, I think this should be related. And yeah. I will make a tiny fix about okay, so default action to the queue. This is the first actions. Yeah, this is here. Change game settings is executed and start game. And at the time, these default tasks is this TL time limit object is already set. And already set. And but here the propose alliance, this is set as I expected, and the important thing is after that, oh, okay, I see. So here, the system should wait for the actions for proposed alliance, but it seems the task queue is executed immediately, so updating and finally turn end is executed. So it automatically turn end. So ignoring player's actions for proposed alliance. This is the problem. And I have implemented part to avoid this behavior. I introduced task validation, so it seems I should implement the task validation, the remaining part. For example, here. I didn't implement the task validation. Like, yeah. So I will check the when the request validation is set, at the same time the task validation should be set. In other words, or rather than when the pose is returned as a task result, the task validation should be set. So I will check. In this case, any is correct. In this case, good. I should. So I forgot to implement about check proposed alliance here. So I think I can fix it. I could fix it. Need to find the location where the other player exists. 3-3. 3 means 3, 3. This is me. This is me. 3. This is me. This. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't reflect it. Okay. Okay, good. But what's the time lag? This time lag. Rejected. Oh, I see. The default behavior is reject, to reject. So yeah, this is correct behavior. Yeah, good. Okay, so I don't have 2000 share capacity, 2000 units of share capacity, so I want to let me move this. Okay, skipped because I don't have enough money, so to be skipped. So I want to acquire share capacity and yeah. Oh, okay. Because I used this gate recently, so I couldn't use this gate, so the process is skipped. And oh, I found the bug. I have enough money and I dropped on Pin Turbo, but yeah, wired action is no, so this is a bug. This is check by vehicle, and I see. I didn't have a bike, so there is a step to get car. This is for bike and this is for car, so I needed to get a bike at first, and then I can get a car. So good. Good. Okay. I could test all types of cells. So and I needed to show the logical time, because the player should be able to know what time it is. Yeah. Okay. So today I want to publish this version. So yeah, so let's commit the changes. This is yeah. And refresh. Yeah, and yeah, publish. This is for publish core module as a npm package, and the version is incremented 1.1.2, and in the server side increment the version, and yeah, this has security. This has a credential process, so I didn't show you npm install, and yeah, this is for installing new dependency, new game core package, and after that build and deploy. Yeah. It's okay. And for the client side, need to update 112, it's okay. npm good. npm run check. Yeah, so release and push it. Okay, all good. Yeah, all good. Okay, so let's document. I'd like to update the roadmap. Yeah. Yeah. In the version 1.1.2, we published a new feature, logical time used for game duration. Yeah. And game settings more flexible for debugging. Yep. Yep. And the most important thing is time limit feature on the server side. This can help me debug the game because the other players have 1 or 2 seconds time limit. By doing that, the default actions are executed automatically, almost automatically. So we just wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, the computer player, like computer players automatically plays. Yeah, it's just execute default task. So I don't think it's computer, but for me, it's so helpful because they plays it automatically. Yeah. So I want to write the information. Change log. We can set the time limit in the lobby screen. This yeah. We can set the time limit to 1 second for other players. For computer players or for other players. Yeah. This helps us to debug the game more easily because we can set a time limit to 1 second for other players. It means that the other players take default actions. Take a default action. Default actions in 1 second. Okay. This is so important. And next, I want to add a new mission like this. Now there is one type of mission. Yeah. So from now I want to add a lot of missions. Yeah. And in order to add a lot of missions, I implemented this feature at first. Yeah, this is so important and so helpful to debug. So I'm going to take on the improvement for game design. Yeah. But today, I want to finish. It's time to finish. Yeah. It's a good place to stop, so I will end here. I'm gonna call it a day. Since it's a good stopping point, I'll wrap it up. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.